Oh, oh, the next one, I feel like it's better this way. Huh? What? This is a message from Gigi! Okay, I hope it works. Let us know if it doesn't work, okay?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, fuwamoco morning.
Hi.
Thank you to Fuwawa and Mococo for giving me the space to clear up some misunderstandings that have occurred on my channel. My channel is Gigi Mooney, Hololive English Justice.
Professional. Wow.
Sorry, I should have introduced myself. I'm Gigi Mooney of Hololive English Justice, and I have some misunderstandings I would like to clear up on fuwamoco morning.
She already told us this.
Sometimes on my channel, Gigi Mooney channel, you might hear something that sounds suspiciously like barking in the background.
Barking?
Dog barking, perhaps?
What?
But it is not.
It's not.
I would like everyone to know, formally and officially, that it is not a dog barking.
Not dog.
There are no dogs barking in the background.
No dog. Is this no?
I want everyone to stop saying it's a dog in the background.
No, what is it?
It is a bird.
A bird!
Thank you.
Birds do that. Birds do that. Look like that. Birds do that. Papa! I feel scared now, Muffy. Do you feel scared? Have we seen the bird before? I haven't. No. Birds do that. I saw it on YouTube. I also saw a cat make a pizza on YouTube. What do I believe? What do I not believe? A lot of funny things are happening, huh? A lot of funny stuff, huh? That was Gigi, okay? I'm not so sure was that actually Gigi. It's a misunderstanding. Papa! Yeah!